c'est une production de la FTM.
Let's get it.
I can't be told no handguns unless the bitch come with a 30. I can't be fucking these dog hoes unless the bitch come with a button. I can't be driving no regular cars, the bitch gotta come with a button. I was broke like a wild bat, now I'm up all of a sudden. They gotta send me a budget. I can't be fucking these hoes raw. I had to slip on the road. I can't be riding no plain Jane. Over my wife, flooded. I can't be drinking no regular soda. All of my clothes are muddy. I just came home with nothing. Now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, money bag, money bag. We can fuck, but you can't call the number back. If you knew better, baby, you do better. I got plenty hoes coming, you having it. I went money bad, we went 4 fatter. 4 fatter. Big gang, you better. I can't told no handgun unless the bitch come with a 30. If the bitch come with a red. The shit that you saving, I spent it. And if you want smoke, you can get that. I just went poof in the back end. Every time I fuck her, I hit from the back end. I'm pulling her while I did. You know, she got her face. The glove on it. I'm in the trap with the kids on it. I just went the industry, this shit gon' come to feed.
Daniel, get the fuck back here. No.
La Sicilienne, alors c'est une production de la FTM. Hey, what's up, everybody? Come back.
You cracked me up, yo. Oh. Let's go.
Turn me on some more so my haters can hear. I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning, Uncle Whipping. Some people said I couldn't do it. Look at my bank account,
Gotcha. Oh, okay, Dave.
I was down on my ass.
I'm short.
Mama Gucci purse gave it 10 racks, told her you ain't gotta trust me. Even if an emergency, every nigga pull up in the 911. They think a nigga Rondo.
He was just sitting and he broke the chair. Nah.
I jumped on it.
Darung.
Friend, this chair has been broken.
Nah. It's already broken now. It's because of your ass. Good God, you fucking wrecked it.
That nigga trying to catch him.